Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka St. Joseph Higher Secondary School Jayau, haka khat khanai tarik urber ajar pesan kala rakhe ka sngi kerpang menda ka sngi kata ka St. Joseph's Day, baru haka juga por kan ka school kala Pynkup Burom bat pentian smai ki khna school haki kedan beper ki bakan thop iki nong yalam hapo ke NCC bat Pynkup Burom ru iki khna puli bat ki Nonghikai ki ba mikmat na ka school baru ban Pynkup Burom bat ban penbam smai ya ki khna puli ki bade ki captain hapo class bat captain jong ka school baru iki khna puli ki bade ki nong yalam haka jin le kai beper kumju iki nong yalam jong ki house hapo ka school hakani ka jin lang ka bala penlong ha plau jong ka school la yo ek jing shot drill na ki khna school kumju haka march pass kani ka school kala yo ru ban Pynkup Burom iki khna school ki bala wanra jing job haka 6 Meghalaya Olympic Games 8,000 hakani ka sngi udipak manbiar ubade u commanding officer Meghalaya jong ki ginthei haka NCC ulalong kum ukong san bat ulayo ru ban ai ke jingkran.
God, my Almighty Father, the principal, the staff of St. Joseph's School, and the students who serve my beloved school with pride and loyalty. I promise to uphold the school's rules and to carry out the duties entrusted to me sincerely. I know it is a difficult undertaking, but placing my trust in you, my God, I pledge to do all that I can for the betterment of our school and to provide a positive school environment.
Allow me to live to the Christian principle. Guide and inspire me to face the life situation courageously, whenever I may be, and especially as a student of the school.
Bless us with purity of heart and intention. Grant us strength and sincerity, so that we may guide us to His will and help them to become worthy men.
Can Sir Deepak Mandir to kindly take the salute? Rising from first marching is the head girl, is the commander, Diana Amita Walang, the plakat bearer Kala Kursi Har, followed by the vice head girl of the English section and the high school. Thank you, sir. Next in line are the NCC cadets, placard bearer Hima, Sandaka Mandar and Shada. Nonghikai Parmesan, the commander of Lasker Newman Haba. House is the yellow house, the placard bearer Khynnah the flag bearer Elizabeth Wallaki, the commander Kerry Malde. Next we have the Hazel House, it's the green house. The placard bearer Nandi Samir Lingdo Nonglan and the commander Isa Bapor Nongsten.
My heart goes out to each one of you who have participated in this event, being part of the school activities, and especially for this function. I came here with a notion that I am going to attend a small, quickly organized event, but I was aghast to see once I reached here the amount of preparation that you have gone into, the amount of professionalism, the amount of thorough sincerity and practice which has gone into each one of your activities which you have shown here. I am spellbound by the amount of sincere, heartfelt involvement of each one of the students, staff, teachers, up to the principal ma'am. A huge round of applause for all of you. It was an education to me while I was coming here that this school, St. Joseph's Girls Higher Secondary School, now rechristened as St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, was raised in 1964. You had your golden jubilee in 2014, and now you have crossed 60 years. So the first students of this school would be senior citizens now. And surely each one of us, as the time comes, will also reach our senior citizenship age. But having seen the kind of thorough teaching that you're getting, the smartness of each one of the students, the amount of effort which has gone in from each of your conducting staff, students, teachers, and your headmistresses, I was actually wishing that काश मैं भी स्कूल से पढ़ा होता. I wish I had studied in this school. So that's the kind of impression that you have left on me today. It is awesome. Coming on to certain other major issues which each one of us needs to be aware of. I am very sure the kind of teaching that is being imparted at your school will take you far beyond your own individual potential. It will bring up the best in you and let you be part of the future of the state and the country as years go by. As you all are aware, the country itself over the years has been developing in various fields, and now, especially at this juncture, we are on the way to be among the world leaders. That is the time when you, as young students of the school, will join as young citizens of this country and will, I am very sure, take the flag much higher and make it fly high in the sky. We also need to ensure, while this is happening, that the bonding that we have amongst each other, culturally, socially, religiously, and as citizens of this country, is unshakable against any of the challenges which will come in the years to come. Next 10 to 15 years, there will be marked changes, there will be challenges, there will be situations which will develop, are developing presently also all around you. Among the senior students and the teachers, they will appreciate 50 kilometers south of your location is a tumultuous country which is undergoing a lot of changes. Similarly, in our own country, there are challenges which will come. So I beseech upon each one of you to remember that we are till our country is. So we need to retain that unity. We need to be part of that machine that brings up this country as one and wholeheartedly participate in all nation building activities.